How to get Whataburger working promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Type in Whataburger promo code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, simply codes. This is a legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Whataburger. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 20% off, 15% off, free gift, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on use code. With that, the code will be copied and you will be directed to the official website of Whataburger. Now you can go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you're going to get the discount in your purchase. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Whataburger. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you offers for Whataburger. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily get a Whataburger working promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.